Does your car get hot? Oh no, it's so hot. So when I drive my car, it hits like 220 and I'm like, danger, it's gonna explode. So I know lots of people have done this, but I'm doing the windshield washer sprayer mod on my Rad. So here's an empty box. Here's what it comes with. Also, this was 25 bucks on Amazon. So it comes with the bottle, the pump, couple wires, the hoses, or one hose, not the relays. There's like little jet guys, and then like buttons and some useless hardware and a T so you can tee whatever. So I'm thinking, I haven't really thought at all actually. Gonna put these. So this is where my oil cooler goes, but I don't have one obviously right now. So I might just put it there. Maybe. I'm undecided. I'm gonna put these little jets, there's two of them. I'm gonna drill a hole right here and it's gonna spray like that. So it sucks up most of the Rad surface area of the Rad, math, whatever. It'll make an X. Extreme. And just stab a hole anywhere you want. Try not to drill your Rad. Danger. Good thing I had that there. I don't know if I should put it on the inside or the outside of this, but I should probably put it on, test it, and then see. But it's gonna be a driving mod, so like when I stop, I spray it with the sprayer. But this is like when you're going down the straight or something. So this is where my catch can usually mounts, but obviously I did catch can mods. So the catch can isn't there anymore. Oops. And that's where the bottle's getting mounted. I'm gonna drill my finger. That looks so bad. Is this gonna be long enough? Maybe not. Zip ties. Zip tie. Zip tie. Zip ties. Zip tie. You need another zip tie. Cut the zip tie. I got 2 zip ties left. What's my zip tie count? So the T is gonna go right here. Ran out of hose here, so I gotta go to my supply and try to get some more. One sec. Now it opens. I put on this guy because I couldn't put this onto this jet, so I figured this is a little smaller, so yeah, do this. They say measure twice, cut once. I just don't measure at all. Didn't come with a fuse, and you should probably fuse everything, or a relay and a fuse. Whatever you want, just don't do nothing. Because it didn't come with anything. So I'm gonna route it to my like buttons that I put in already. It came with this button, but like that seems like a ejecto cedo cuz kind of button, and I don't really want that. I also don't have any crimp connectors or solder, so I'm gonna do this temporarily. Perfect. Okay, I'm just gonna put heat shrink over temporarily. This sucks. There, ready for it. Come. So now my other wiring disaster's down here, but now I can put my fuse and stuff in and then wire it to one of the switches. I'm gonna test it. The ground, I need a ring terminal still, so it's just wrapped around, so it might not work, but let's see. Big mess. Here we go. So maybe if I put it, or what if I just bend it? Round 2 for the Extreme Rad Sprayer. Break the mounts off. Well, that's the Extreme Rad Sprayer. I did a lot of testing and soaked my floor. It has a little bit of drippage from the excess in the line, but whatever. If I get pulled off the track from them saying your car's leaking, I'll go, yeah, it is.